some of you may be planning ahead for that big summer vacation with the family.
But have you ever thought about getting travel insurance just in case something goes wrong? Alyssa is here with some things to consider before you start planning that big trip. Alyssa, good morning.
Julia, Ben, good morning. Unfortunately, there's not a yes-no answer to this. For each trip, you need to consider the airline, your destination, the cost of the ticket versus how you're covered. Are you already covered and just don't know it? Those are just some of the things to think about when it comes to the trip or travel insurance. And then there's medical insurance, too. And will your current plan also cover you and your destination? And if so, what will it cover? There's so many questions you need to consider. But according to checkbook.org, travel insurance policies are bad buys for most travelers. These policies can cost around $15 to $30 per person for inexpensive flights and anywhere from 3 to 15% of the price of an international ticket. So when is it a good idea to get that trip insurance? Checkbook.org recommends adding on the insurance if losing that money would be financially catastrophic. So you wouldn't pay that extra $20 to $60 to cover the risk of having to pay that airline's $200 change fee. And then also remember, some airlines like Southwest don't even charge change fees. But then there are some other airlines whose tickets are non-refundable or non-transferable, and that's why you need to read each individual airline's policy. Let's go back to that medical insurance, too. The first, know this about it. Medicare doesn't cover foreign medical expenses. And also, if you're traveling to a place that doesn't have state-of-the-art medical facilities, you might want to look into medical trip insurance. But remember, again, I can't say this enough, review your individual policies before adding on that additional cost to your airfare. So coming up at 6:30, we'll show you how to kind of shop around for travel insurance, because this analysis that website did said purchasing directly from the airline might not necessarily be the best bet.